Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade right here on Tradovate. And the first time when you open Tradovate, don't be scared because you are seeing a lot of information. But in this video, I will show you in around 2 minutes the things that you need to know to trade on the most easy way right here on Tradovate. So the first thing that I need to tell you, right here, this is the chart. And what you can do right here on the chart is very simple. You can click right here to change from symbol. So if we go down, for example, and we want to buy gold, and then right here we are having gold. And if we throw this bar a little bit more to the right, you see right here the bid and the ask price. And then if you want to buy with the market price, you can click right here on buy and then click right here on buy. And if you want to sell this, you can click right here on sell. He is telling us that he rejected it because the market is closed right now, so we can't buy it. But normally when the market is open, you can buy it quite easy. You can also click right here to buy bid and then click buy, or do sell ask if you want to do that. And then you can do that for the bid or ask price. Then right here, if you want to do a more specific order, and with that I mean a little bit advanced, so we can create what we want to do, we go right here to trading and then select right here simple or advanced. And at advanced, we can create ourselves right here a buy or a sell position, right here the quantity, so fill in how much you want to buy. Right here we can create ourselves a order type, so let's do market order, limit order, what you want to do. For now market is fine. And then right here what we can do is we can click right here at TPSL, so then do stop loss only or do take profit only or maybe both. And then right here we can decide which take profit or stop loss we want to create. If you click right here on simple, then you will see exactly this right here. And then you can select right here the quantity, select right here if you want to do more with it, with some flags or releases, and then do send. But I recommend you to do the advanced because you have more options right here. And then if you want to do take profit or stop loss, select right here ticks, delta price or value, and then fill that in. I recommend you to do value. Then after this, you can click here on send and then you will create yourself an order right here on this chart. Then if you go right here in the bottom, you see here your order ticket, your orders and your positions. So you can also go through these three options to buy or see what you just bought. So this is in a nutshell what you need to know how to trade on Tradovate. Please comment that below so I can help you out right here in the comments. But for now, this is exactly what you need to know to trade right here. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.